Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the first time today, welcome to my YouTube family. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hummus two ways. The first is going to be a classic traditional hummus, and the second is going to be a beetroot hummus, which is my personal favorite. So let's get started. For the traditional hummus, we're going to be using 4 cups of boiled chickpeas. And to that we're going to be adding 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, about 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, about I'd say half a cup of olive oil, salt to taste. I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of tahini. And for the last ingredient, we're going to be adding some water. I've saved the water from when I boil the chickpeas, but if you don't have that, or if you haven't saved that, you can just add in regular water. So half a cup of that, and we're ready to blend. Okay, that looks about done. Just gonna empty it out here. Okay, so I've got all the hummus into this plate here, and I'm just gonna smooth it out. And then in one corner of the plate, I'm just going to create sort of a well. Like that. Okay, and in the well I've created, I'm just going to pour in some olive oil. Like that. And then drizzle some around as well. Then for garnishing, I'm going to be adding in some chili flakes. And then some feta cheese. Just randomly sprinkle it over. A few arrows of pomegranate. And a few wedges of tomatoes. And then lastly, we're going to be adding in some chopped parsley. So there you have it, your classic traditional hummus. Now that that's done, we're going to be moving on to the second, which is the beetroot hummus. For the beetroot hummus, the recipe stays pretty much the same. We're going to be using 4 cups of the boiled chickpeas, 1 whole boiled beetroot, 2 cloves of garlic, half a cup of that chickpea water, half a cup of olive oil, about 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, and the last ingredient, tahini, about 2 tablespoons. If you have more, I definitely add more. I'm just sort of running low, so I'm doing 2 tablespoons in this recipe. And blend away. Okay, that looks done. And just like last time, we're just gonna smoothen it out. Once again, we're going to create a little well, this time sort of in the center. And then pour in some olive oil. And then drizzle some around. And then we're going to add in a few black sesame seeds here. Just sprinkle randomly. And a few of the white sesame seeds. Top that up with a few arrows of pomegranate. Some chopped parsley. And lastly, a few pistachios. One of the reasons this particular hummus is my favorite is because I love this pink color. It's super rich and it just looks stunning. Alright, there you go, the beetroot hummus.